Oh, what the heck? The old man! The old man in the sea! Ah! Yes, baby! Yeah!
Yes.
Creeping. There's weeds here, yeah. There's one. Square bill.
Eating it.
Yeah, probably because it's a crankbait. All right. Well, little guy. Just a little one, but the old man and us, the old man and I, back out for some bass fishing, and we had like 30-mile-an-hour winds, so we said, let's go to another little lake. That's a little fish. We just got here. It's a good sign. I put on a square bill crankbait, Strike King, and he nabbed it, so maybe this is a sign of good things to come.
Really?
Right. Right. I just saw that fish on there. Yeah. Right. Oh, that looks big on your rod there. Looks big.
Yeah, I couldn't see him, but Phil.
Oh, just make sure you keep the pressure on him. Yeah, that's a good one. The old man is catching the big fish. I'm gonna start calling him Big Fish Man. Out deep. I saw that fish on the fish finder. Make sure you keep the pressure. Yeah, reel when you need to. There you go. A good one. Oh yeah. Oh jeez. What the heck? Oh. Yeah. Oh, what the heck? The old man. The old man in the sea. Ah. The old man in the sea.
That might be another.
Let me see here. Show him.
Oh,
It's the same as the other one the other day. Hold him right here.
That's the same fish. Now, I got to take a picture of this.
Nice fish. Here, let me get a good view of him here. Oh, he's not as big, but he's nice. That's a fat fish. That's a 3.5.
Yeah.
Woo! The old man. All right. I get an assist for that fish.
Yeah. You told me to throw there.
The deep water though, it was like, there you go. Snag. Oh, is that a fish? Oh, that is a fish. Whoa. Oh. Man, oh no. Oh. That was a giant. We gotta keep this net in the middle. Yeah, we gotta keep this in the middle because. Oh man, that was a giant. There's one. I bet you it's a walleye. Oh, it's a pike. Oh.
Bigger pike.
Little jump.
Come here, Mr. Pike. Oh, you
It's a pike. And you get the boga for that one. Go down that way a little bit. Get the boga. I always have to boga them.
Eating that brown clown.
You wanted the brown clown. Oh, this is gonna malfunction. All right, there we go.
They always malfunction.
Oh gosh.
Decent.
Yeah. I got a pike. Oh, they're so sickening. Oh, at least that boga held on. No, I'm gonna retie
Got it
it.
right
Though.
in there for slicing mode.
Yeah.
You got it.
Try not to bend the hook out.
Chomped up there.
Yeah. Come on. Oh, that actually helped me. He did good. That pike did good for once. Sickening. Goodbye. Oh. I guess we're gonna have to. There you go. Right. That's the spot. I saw that. I was watching you.
I don't think it's very big.
I don't know. He'll fight with the boat.
In fact, it's a, what is that?
A big bluegill.
What the heck?
You can pull him up. You don't need that for
That's
him,
a
dude.
giant
That's a giant
bluegill.
gill. Wow.
I don't know if I ever caught one.
Man, oh man. Let's see that. Show me him.
That's a hunk.
Here, let go.
Afraid to grab him.
I know. I wanted to. There we go. Yeah, he's nice gill. Look at that.
That's a hunk. When I first hooked him, I think that's about it.
Pappy's gill.
Then he started going sideways.
Yeah.
All by himself.
The bass seem to be all by themselves too. Man. There's one. Oh!
Is there another biggie?
All right, he looked big when they jump, but I just marked some structure. Oh, jeez!
Another biggie.
Wow. Oh, gosh. I'll tell you what. Oh, the old man and I'm going to go to this one because of the sun. The old man and we've been getting some big bass. Big largemouths. I mean, that's a chunk. That'd be a heck of a tournament fish, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That's another 3.5, pushing 4.
Yeah, pushing 4.
And we're tube jigging them. It's a lake we've never fished in a boat before. We fished from shore and the float tubes and got out in it. It's a small lake. We weren't sure if we were going to be able to launch, and we did. Boy, am I glad we came here. Windy day. You got to go to the small lake so you can fish. I will take that all day long. All right. Yeah. All right, well, there's another night with the old man. We had 4 hours to fish. We ended up catching 4 or 5 fish.
Yeah.
Two really big largemouths, really nice largemouths. One small one, some pike. It was a lot of wind, but we ended up fighting through it and catching a few post cold front. We really had a nasty cold front come through, and I think it shut them off, but still ended up catching them. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.